Global warming. Global warming is a serious problem that affects our planet. It happens because the Earth's temperature is getting warmer due to increased levels of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. This can lead to many harmful effects such as melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and extreme weather conditions like hurricanes and droughts. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels for energy, cutting down trees, and using cars and factories are the main causes of global warming. It is important for everyone to take action to reduce these activities by using less energy, recycling, and supporting clean energy sources to help protect our planet for future generations. Planting more trees can also help because trees absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Governments around the world are working together to create laws and agreements to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. People can also make a difference by using public transportation, walking, or biking instead of driving cars. Simple changes at home, like turning off lights when not needed and using energy efficient appliances, can also help reduce our carbon footprint. Educating others about the importance of protecting our environment is crucial. Together, we can make a positive impact and help slow down global warming. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can collectively reduce the impact of global warming. Schools can teach students about the importance of environmental conservation, and encourage eco-friendly practices. Supporting organizations and policies that aim to combat climate change is also vital. Each person's efforts, no matter how small, contributes to a larger solution. Thank you.